Today, I am going to show you how to create a beautiful heart photo collage in Canva, completely for free. Perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, birthdays, or any special occasion. Let's get started. All right, the first step is to install an app. Go to Apps and search for Collage Maker. This is the app. Click on it to install. I have already made a detailed tutorial about this app on my channel. Today, I'll be using their free templates to create a heart collage. Here, you can select shape or text to create your collage. I want to create a heart collage, so let's select shape. By default, a heart template is already selected. To choose a different one, click on Change. Here, you will find many categories to choose from. Let's go to Heart, and you'll find many beautiful heart collage styles here. Most of them are completely free to use. Let's select this one. Under Collage Layout, you have three options: Masonry, Grid, and Split. Below that, you'll find settings for each option. In Grid, you can adjust the number of columns and rows, and the gap between the frames. In Split, this feature splits your design into multiple parts. A part is considered individual if it's not connected to other parts. You can also add a stroke by enabling this toggle. Now, let's add this to the page. Increase its size and center align it. Now, add your photos inside the frames. And just like that, our beautiful heart collage is ready. See how cool that looks? Now, let me show you another style. Click on Change. Go to Heart. Add a new page. Let's select this collage. Choose Split Layout. Add it to the design. Increase its size. Now add your photo inside. And our second heart collage is ready. And that's how you create a beautiful heart collage in Canva completely for free. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. Comment below, who are you going to make this heart collage for? See you in the next one.